What's going on, everybody? I wanted to drop a video real quick. Someone asked um, in the group, well, I don't think it was in a group, but I think it was a direct message asking how to connect your Zoom to the CRM. So what I would like to do is kind of walk you through that process real quick, and hopefully I can shed some light on what you need to do. So let's go to the CRM, and you're going to go to your main page. You're going to come on. This is the page you're going to start on. As a matter of fact, I'll stay here. Let's go all the way down to where it says settings. You're going to click on settings. You're going to go one of two places. I normally like to go to the profile because it needs to be updated in the profile anyway. And then we'll check the other place. The other place is in the calendar settings. So in your profile, all of this stuff should be completed, especially if you have gone through the whole process of setting up your CRM. So what you want to make sure you do is scroll all the way down. Of course, make sure all your emails and stuff are connected or synced. We're going down to calendar settings. And when you go to calendar settings, it's going to look like this right here. There is not going to be anything in these boxes because you haven't done it yet, but hopefully you have something in your calendar boxes. But where we want to go is the video conferencing. So you're going to select video conferencing, and you're going to add a new. So we're going to click on add a new, and this screen is going to pop up for you. And you have the ability here to select from Zoom or Microsoft Teams. I prefer Zoom personally. You can do a lot of things with Zoom, from walkthroughs, virtual walkthroughs with clients if you can't meet whatever the time schedule is. I do my initial interviews for subcontractors and employees on that on Zoom. I also do my weekly meetings with my virtual assistants on Zoom. So Zoom goes a long way. So I would definitely use that. All you have to do is go over here and select connect. Because it's already connected to mine, it may not do what yours is going to do if it's not connected. So let's see. I'll click connect. And then, okay. Well, see, mine is already connected, like I said, so it's not going to go. So what will happen is the next screen that comes up is going to be the screen from Zoom asking you to your Zoom account. So of course you have to have a Zoom account. You're going to log into your Zoom account, give it permissions, allow. It's going to ask you to allow it to make changes and stuff like that. Accept all for all of it. Then it should take you back to the screen. And then what's going to show up is your Zoom with your username or whatever you log in with is going to be right here, right? And then another location you want to go check is go to calendar. So you're going to scroll down. You're still in settings. You're going to go to calendars. You're going to go all the way to the top right hand. You're going to see connections. Click on connections. And you're just going to make sure that in the connections section, it says that you're connected. So give it a second. Something went wrong, so let me refresh the page. And we're going to go to video conferencing, see if the Zoom is connected, and it is. So that's all you have to do to connect your Zoom to the CRM. One thing I want to show you is how that works. Is like when you're doing your calendars, I'm going to go back to the profile section if it allows me to go, because I think it's kind of locking up on me. It's over. Okay, it looks like it's going now. Oh, still taking forever. So let's go to and refresh. So one thing you can do is in the calendar section, you can have your calendar set up for phone calls, for actual in-person appointments, or you can set them up for Zoom calls. So if you go down to your profile section, and remember we went here to set up our Zoom, connection, which was here, right? If you scroll down, I'm going to show you how that works. So user availability, this is what you'll see when you're making your calendars, your individual calendars, and you can decide what option people have when they go into your calendars. So here, it'll say connect. If you haven't connected it previously, it's going to say connect Zoom. And then once you click connect Zoom, then what's going to happen is it's going to put a little check mark, and that's all you really have to do. So that's what's going to show up on your calendars. But you want to, when you're doing your calendars, you just want to make sure and confirm that that's what's on there. And you have other options that you can do. And these are just the primary options that's going to pop up. You have the Zoom, you have a Google Meet also, you have full address, you have a phone number, or you have custom. So you can create whatever you want for the user availability within your calendars. So with that being said, hopefully that answers your questions. If not, give me a call, schedule an appointment, and I'll help you out.